Hello everyone, it's Miss Ashanae, and today we'll be doing a Skittles rainbow science experiment. This experiment will demonstrate how to transform candy through the power of dissolving with just 3 simple ingredients. So the materials you'll need are a white plate or clear container, Skittles, and water. So let's get started. So you'll place your Skittles into the white plate and try to alternate the colors. After alternating the Skittles colors, you want to carefully pour water into the plate or container. And if the Skittles move, it's okay, you can just push them back and place them quickly. So afterwards, watch what happens. Skittles are coated in food coloring and sugar. So when you pour water over the Skittles, the colored coating dissolves, spreading through the water. So the color and sugar dissolves into the water and then diffuse through the water, making it the color of the Skittle. As you see the colors slowly spread out from the Skittles towards the center of the bowl, do you see if they're touching or if they're mixing? What do you notice? So the different flavors of the candy allow the colors to remain separated. So after seeing the Skittles dissolve, what you want to do is now flip over each Skittle, or just a few of them, and see if it's the same color. You will then see that most of them are white. So as mentioned before, Skittles are covered by a hard shell that is made up of sugar and different colored dye. So when the water mixes with the sugary shell, the sugar dissolves and the different colored dye begins to run and blend in together. So that is why the color is now white instead of the color that it was originally.